Hello, my name is Arash. I'm 25 years old. I'm from Denmark. I came here because my hairline was receding, so I found Hair Center of Turkey on Instagram. I contacted them on Instagram. They explained me everything very well. Then I got my flight tickets to Istanbul. When I arrived here, I met the team, the doctors, everything was very professional. Just shaved in front of my hair a little bit and the backwards because I didn't want to remove all the hair from the top. So we made the design a little bit more straight hairline, the sides also. Everything was painless. I didn't feel some pain. It took a bit time, but it was painless. The second day, we removed the bandage. Today is our last day here. We have already made the washing process. So thank you, Hair Center of Turkey.